You finish a meeting, open your notes, and they make zero sense. Half sentences, random bullet points, things you thought were important, but now you're not even sure what they mean. And somehow, you've got to turn this into clear action items. If you're in back-to-back meetings, you already know the struggle. You're typing fast just to keep up, not to stay organized. Then later, you waste 15 to 20 minutes trying to clean everything up, or worse, you miss something important. Here's the problem most people don't realize. You're trying to capture information and organize it at the same time. Writing, thinking, structuring, deciding what matters, all during the meeting. That's why your notes end up messy and incomplete. And this is where it gets interesting. The mess isn't the problem, it's actually the raw material. Most people think better notes come from writing more neatly. But the real shift is this. Meetings are for capturing, not organizing. If you separate those two, everything becomes faster and clearer. So instead of fixing your notes manually, use what's called the raw to action system. Here's how it works. Step 1. During the meeting, stop worrying about structure. Just capture everything as fast as possible. Messy, incomplete, doesn't matter. Your only job is raw input. Step 2. After the meeting, paste those notes into AI and give one clear instruction. Turn this into a structured meeting summary with key points and action items. Step 3. Tell it exactly how to format the output. Ask for sections like summary, decisions, action items, and deadlines so everything is instantly usable. Step 4. Do one quick refinement. Just say, make it shorter and clearer, and you'll get a clean, polished version in seconds.
Quick example.
Your raw notes might look like this. Talked about launch delay. John said maybe next week. Marketing not ready. Need assets. Follow up with design. Check budget. Now you paste that in and ask for a structured summary. And the output becomes launch delayed due to incomplete marketing assets. Tentative launch moved to next week. Action items. Design team finalizes assets. John confirms launch date. Budget review required. Same information, but now it's clear, structured, and actionable. Now here's the part most people miss. You don't need better notes. You need a better system for turning notes into outcomes. Once you do this, something changes. What used to take 15 to 20 minutes after every meeting now takes less than 2 minutes. And more importantly, you stop losing important tasks. So the takeaway is simple. Don't try to write perfect notes. Capture messy input and let AI turn it into clarity. Like, subscribe, and if you're tired of messy notes slowing you down, check the description for more.